Hello kids, welcome to the class of SST class 4. The chapter number is 8, Forests of India. Introduction. In India, forest covers up 1/5 part of the land. Apart from trees, bushes, shrubs, wildflowers and mosses are also a part of forest. Forests are home to wildlife. They are one of the natural resources of India. So kids, today in this chapter, you all are going to study about the various forests of India. Forest क्या है? Forest जो है हमारी लैंड का, इंडिया की लैंड का 1/5 पार्ट जो है कवर करते हैं. ये होम है वाइल्ड लाइफ एनिमल्स का, सेंचुरीज का, एज वेल एज ये जो है नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है इंडिया का. इसी के साथ अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ट्रीज, फॉरेस्ट में आपको जो है बुशेस, श्रब्स, वाइल्ड फ्लावर्स और मॉसेस भी मिलेंगे. Forests are very useful natural resources as they provide us many things. Uses of forest. So kids, forest जो है useful natural resources है क्योंकि ये हमें जो है काफी सारी चीजें प्रोवाइड करते हैं. Forest provide with hardwood and softwood used for making wood pulp, paper, plywood and matchsticks. So kids, forest जो है हमें हार्डवुड और सॉफ्टवुड प्रोवाइड करते हैं जिनका यूज किया जाता है वुड पल्प, पेपर, प्लाईवुड और मैचस्टिक्स को बनाने में. दे प्रोवाइड नट्स, बेरीज एंड फ्रूट्स. ये नट्स, बेरीज एंड फ्रूट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. फॉरेस्ट आर द शेल्टर एंड फूडर ऑफ द वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के लिए जो शेल्टर और फूडर है दैट इज द फॉरेस्ट. यू मस्ट नो a large area of land which is densely covered by trees and plants is known as a forest. So kids, एक large area of land जो कि trees और plants से densely covered है that is known as the forest. Forests provide many products such as gum, rubber, resin, cork and camphor. So kids, forest से आपको काफी products मिलते हैं जैसे gum, rubber, resin, cork and camphor. They provide medicinal plants and herbs. The trees of rainforest also provide medicines. So kids, forest से आपको medicinal herbs मिलते हैं, medicinal plants मिलते हैं, जैसे कि जो rainforest है वो आपको medicines provide करते हैं. More than of the 40% of the fuel of the world is supplied by forest. So kids, world का जो 40% से भी ज़्यादा fuel है वो forest से provide होता है. Forest in India occupies 10th position in the world and 4th in Asia in terms of plant diversity. The forests are mainly of 5 kinds. So kids, India की अगर forest के terms में या plants की diversity की position की बात करें, so over the world it is 10th position and in Asia it is 4th position. So kids, forest जो है mainly 5 kinds के होते हैं. First is the evergreen forest. These forests remains green throughout the year and have a variety of trees that do not shed leaves at the same time. Thus, these forests are found in the regions which receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. So kids, evergreen की जो forest है वो हमेशा जो है throughout the year green रहते हैं and यहाँ पे variety of trees होती हैं जिनकी leaves कभी भी shed नहीं करती same time पर. इनकी जो फॉरेस्ट होते हैं ये आपको उन रीजन्स में मिलेंगे जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है थ्रू आउट द ईयर. दीज फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन, ये फॉरेस्ट मेनली आपको मिलेंगे असम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा, स्लोप्स ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट्स एंड द अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स. द इम्पॉर्टेंट ट्रीज फाउंड इन दीज फॉरेस्ट आर रोजवुड, सैंडलवुड, बैम्बू, टीक, इबोनी एंड महगनी. सो किड्स, यहाँ पे जो इस फॉरेस्ट में इम्पॉर्टेंट ट्रीज है दैट आर रोजवुड, सैंडलवुड, बैम्बू, टीक, इबोनी एंड महगनी. नेक्स्ट इज deciduous forest. These forests are also known as monsoon forest. The trees of these forests shed their leaves annually during autumn season. So kids, deciduous forest को जो है monsoon forest भी बोला जाता है. इस फॉरेस्ट की जो ट्रीज होती हैं वो लीव्स को एनुअली शेड करती है एट द टाइम ऑफ द ऑटम Bamboo, sandalwood, tea, shisham, sal, mahua, samul are the examples of deciduous trees. So kids, ये सारे examples है deciduous tree के. They are found in the better part of the Deccan Plateau in the states of Odisha, Bihar and Andhra Pradesh and on the foothills of the Himalayas. So kids, इन सभी areas में जो है आपको deciduous forests मिलेंगे. Knowledge Express, the top state of India having the largest area under forest is Madhya Pradesh, followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. So kids, पूरे इंडिया की जो टॉप स्टेट है जहाँ पे लार्जर नंबर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट आपको मिलेंगे, दैट इज द मध्य प्रदेश एंड उसके बाद आपको मिलेंगे अरुणाचल प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़ एंड उड़ीसा. नेक्स्ट इज मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट. These forests are found on the deltas along the coast. They are also known as tidal forest. The trees of these forests are surviving fresh as well as salty water of the sea. So kids, जो मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट है ये मेनली आपको डेल्टास में मिलेंगे कोस्ट के. इनको जो है टाइडल फॉरेस्ट भी कहा जाता है. द ट्रीज ऑफ दीज फॉरेस्ट, ये जो फॉरेस्ट है इनकी ट्रीज जो है थ्रू आउट द ईयर जो है फ्रेशली सर्वाइव करते हैं और सेल्टी वाटर में. As the land where mangrove trees grown in extremely marshy, the roots of these trees tend to come out of the surface of the soil. So kids, मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट जिस लैंड पे ग्रो करते हैं वहाँ की लैंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा मार्शी है, जिस वजह से यहाँ की ट्रीज की जो रूट्स हैं वो सरफेस के सॉइल से निकलने लगते हैं. वेस्ट बंगाल हैज़ द बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेच ऑफ द मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट नोन एज द सुंदरबंस. सुंदरबंस गेट देयर नेम फ्रॉम द सुंदरी ट्रीज ग्रोइंग हियर. सो किड्स, पूरे इंडिया में जहाँ लार्जर नंबर ऑफ मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट मिलते हैं दैट इज द इन दी वेस्ट बंगाल, जहाँ पे इनको सुंदरबंस कहा जाता है, फॉरेस्ट का नाम है. एंड इसका नाम सुंदरबंस इसलिए क्योंकि यहाँ पर सुंदरी ट्रीज फाउंड होते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज थॉर्नी एंड स्क्रब फॉरेस्ट. These forests are found mostly in the dry area of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and the desert areas of Rajasthan. So kids, ये वाले जो फॉरेस्ट है विच आर थॉर्नी एंड स्क्रब फॉरेस्ट, ये मेनली आपको इंडिया के उन स्टेट्स में मिलेंगे विच आर द ड्राई एरियाज, जैसे कि तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटक, आंध्र प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश एंड द राजस्थान डेजर्ट्स. Trees are very few as you can mostly find bushes here. Some of the trees found here are date palms, kikar and bamboo. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको trees जो है बहुत कम ही मिलेंगे, mainly यहाँ पे bushes होते हैं. And some of the trees जो यहाँ मिल सकते हैं that is babul, kikar and date palms. These trees can survive without water for a long time. ये ऐसे trees हैं जो long time तक water के बिना survive कर सकते हैं. And kids, this is a picture of thorny forest. Coniferous forest. These forests are covered with tall and cone-shaped trees which have needle-like leaves. The needle-shaped leaves of these trees help the snow to slide during winters. So kids, ये वाले जो forest है ये tall और cone-shaped trees से covered है जिनके पास needle-like leaves होती हैं. ये जो needle-shaped की leaves होती है trees की, ये slide करती है, उनको help करती हैं कि snow जो है easily slide down हो सके. These trees help the snow to slide during winter. These trees survive in cold temperatures. The slopes of the Himalayas are covered with these forests. So kids, winters के times पे जब snow पड़ती है तो इन leaves पे जो needle like होती हैं cone shaped की, वो बहुत easily जो है slide down कर जाती है. Mainly आपको ये जो है हिमालय के slopes पे मिलेंगे. The coniferous forests are found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Arunachal Pradesh. The important trees found in these forests are pine, fire, oak, deodar and spruce. So kids, जो coniferous forests है वो mainly आपको जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड और अरुणाचल प्रदेश में मिलेंगे. यहाँ के जो important trees है that are pine, fire, oak, deodar and spruce. Now the topic is wildlife. Wildlife includes all types of wild animals, birds and insects that are wild and live in a natural environment of a region. So kids, wildlife में वो सारे wild animals, birds और insects आते हैं जो कि wild होते हैं और जो एक natural environment में रहते हैं एक region के. India has a rich variety of animals and birds. Government of India has provided homes to these wild animals by building various national parks, wildlife sanctuaries. So kids, हमारी कंट्री इंडिया में जो है काफ़ी वैरायटी ऑफ एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स जो है सर्वाइव करते हैं। हमारी कंट्री इंडिया की गवर्नमेंट ने जो है नंबर ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज, बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स और नेशनल पार्क्स जो बिल्डअप करे हैं डिफरेंट फीचर्स में, सो दैट ये वाइल्ड लाइफ को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें। Various national parks, biosphere reserves and wildlife sanctuaries are set up in different parts of the country. Wildlife sanctuaries, so kids यहाँ पे आपको सेंचुरीज के नाम्स गिवन है और यहाँ पे जो आपको स्टेट्स गिवन है जहाँ पर ये फाउंड होते हैं। इचियोकी in Kerala, Bharatpur is in Rajasthan, Hazirabad is in Jharkhand, Darchingam is in Jammu and Kashmir, Periyar is in Kerala, Sultanpur is in Haryana and Chilka Lake Sanctuary is in Odisha. National Parks. So kids, यहाँ पे जो आपको एक टेबल गिवन है जिसमें सबसे पहले आपको नेशनल पार्क्स के नेम गिवन है, उसके बाद वो कौन सी स्टेट में है वो गिवन है, आज उसके बाद आपको एनिमल्स के नेम गिवन है जो उस नेशनल पार्क में मिलते हैं। काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क इज इन असम, एनिमल इज one-horned rhino. Kahana is in Madhya Pradesh, the animal is deer. Panna is in Madhya Pradesh, animal is elephant. Jim Corbett is in Uttarakhand, animal is tiger. Sariska, Rajasthan, animal is tiger. Ranthambore is in Rajasthan, animal is tiger and elephant. Periyar is in Kerala, animal is elephant. Sundarbans is in West Bengal, the animal is tiger. Bandhwaghar is in Madhya Pradesh, animal is tiger. Gir is in Gujarat and the animal is Asiatic lion. Let's recall. So kids, quickly जो है अब चैप्टर के पूरे मेन पॉइंट्स को रिवाइज करते हैं। Land which is densely covered by trees and plants known as a forest. In India, forests cover up 1/5 of the land. So kids, land जो कि densely covered है trees से और plants से, that is area known as forest. इंडिया की जो land है उसमें से 1/5 जो है forest covered है. Forest provides shelter to wildlife and food to the animals. Forest जो है वो wildlife को shelter provide करते हैं और animals को food. The evergreen forest remain green throughout the year. So जो evergreen forest होते हैं वो throughout the year green रहते हैं. Deciduous forest also known as monsoon forest. जो deciduous forest होते हैं उनको monsoon forest भी कहते हैं. Mangrove forest also known as tidal forest. Mangrove forest को tidal forest भी कहा जाता है. The coniferous forest are covered with tall and cone-shaped trees which have needle-like leaves. So kids, जो coniferous forest है वो tall और cone shaped trees से covered होते हैं जिनकी needle like leaves होती हैं. Check your knowledge. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. A. Take the correct option. 1. Jim Corbett National Park is in the state of dash. A. Uttarakhand. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Assam. It is A. Uttarakhand. 2. Sundarbans has dash forest. A. Mangrove. B. Evergreen. C. Deciduous. It is A. Mangrove. 3. There are dash types of forest found in India. A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. It is 5. 4. India occupies dash position in the world in terms of plant diversity. A. 6, B. 9, C. 10. It is C. 10. 5. Deciduous forests are found in dash of Deccan Plateau. A. Sandy part, B. wetter part, C. mountainous part. It is B. wetter part. 6. Cone-shaped trees which have needle-like leaves are found in dash. A. mangrove forest, B. evergreen forest, C. coniferous forest. It is C. Coniferous forest. B. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. 1. Coniferous trees have dash leaves, needle shaped. 2. The dash forest remains green throughout the year. Evergreen. 3. Deciduous forests are also known as dash forest. Monsoon. 4. The mangrove forests are also known as dash forest. Tidal. 5. Thorny forests are mostly found in dash areas. Dry. 'C' right, true or false against each statement. 1. Thorny forests are also called desert forest. True. 2. The deciduous forests are also called monsoon forest. True. 3. Forests provide shelter to many wild animals. True. 4. Mangrove forests are also called tidal forest. True. 5. In India, forests cover up 1/5 of the land. False. D. Name the state where are these national parks situated. 1. Kaziranga National Park. So kids, यहाँ पर आपको जो है states के नेम बताने हैं जहाँ पर ये national park situated है. So Kaziranga National Park is in Assam. 2. Kahana National Park is in Madhya Pradesh. 3. Periyar National Park is in Kerala. 4. Sariska National Park is in Rajasthan. 5. Panna National Park is in again Madhya Pradesh. 6. Gir Forest is in Gujarat. 'Subjective questions E. Think and write. 1. Define forest. The forests are the large area of lands which are densely covered with the trees, shrubs, herbs and the wild animals. 2. Write 3 uses of forest. The 3 uses of the forest are: number 1, it is a natural habitat for the wildlife as well as for the varieties of the plants and trees. Number 2, there are number of medicinal plants and the herbs from the forest. Number 3, various raw materials such as rubber, wood, etc. are obtained from the forest. 3. What has Government of India done to save the wildlife? To save the wildlife, the Government of India has enacted various projects such as they have launched the national parks, wildlife sanctuaries as well as the biosphere reserves to protect the wildlife of the India. They have built these all in the various different regions of the India all over. 4. How are forests important for wildlife? The forests are important for wildlife in number of ways. The forest provides the natural habitat to live the wildlife. The forests are the areas which provides the habitat and the fodder to the wildlife, to the birds as well as to the reptiles and sanctuaries. 5. How does wildlife sanctuaries protect the wild animals? The wildlife sanctuaries are the reserved areas where wild animals can move freely without any harm and hurt. At these places, it is strictly restricted that no hunting and harm of the wild animals would be done, and regular census done on the regular intervals of the wild animals to count their actual numbers. 6. Name the different kinds of forest found in India. The different kinds of forest found in India are evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny and scrub forest, monsoon forest, etc. Creative zone, life skills. With the help of given clues, fill in the name of the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries of India in the given crossword below. So kids, next पेज पे आपको crossword given है, उसे आपको complete करना है with the help of these clues. Down to the Project Tiger of Kerala. केरला का Project Tiger कौन सा है? 3. The Wild Sanctuary in Odisha. ओडिशा में wildlife sanctuary कौन सी है? 2. So kids, the Project Tiger in Kerala is Periyar. P-E-R-I-Y-A-R. And the wildlife sanctuary in Odisha is Chandaka. Chandaka. So kids, similarly जो है आप rest of the questions के answers find out करके इस given crossword puzzle में लिखोगे. 6. The famous wildlife sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. तमिल नाडु की famous wildlife sanctuary का name find out करोगे. 7. Projected National Park for Tiger in Rajasthan. राजस्थान में टाइगर के लिए प्रोटेक्टेड नेशनल पार्क कौन सा है? 9. The Wildlife Sanctuary in Kashmir. कश्मीर की वाइल्ड सेंचुरी. Across 1. National Park in the East famous for elephants and rhinos. ईस्ट में नेशनल पार्क जो फेमस है एलिफेंट्स और राइनोस के लिए. 3. The oldest national park in Uttarakhand. उत्तराखंड का जो ओल्डेस्ट नेशनल पार्क है. 4. National Park famous for Asiatic lions, गुजरात. नेशनल पार्क जो एशियाटिक लायंस जो गुजरात में अवेलेबल है वो कौन सा है? 5. A national park in महाराष्ट्र. महाराष्ट्र का नेशनल पार्क. 8. The home for famous Bengal tigers. And Bengal tigers का कौन सा फेमस होम है? Let's discuss about the importance of forest among your classmates in the presence of your teacher. So kids, forest की क्या importance होती है इस टॉपिक के ऊपर आपको डिस्कशन करना है अपने क्लासरूम में with your teacher. So kids, in this chapter we learned that there are number of importance and uses of the forest in the life of the human beings as well as in the life of the wild animals. So kids, forests are the homes for the various varieties of plants as well as for the wild animals. They provide the proper raw materials, they provide medicinal herbs, they provide and reduce the soil erosion and reduce the cause of floods and many more. So kids, you will take all the points and you will discuss in detail in your classroom. Thank you kids. I hope you enjoy the learning. See you in next class.